everything else in my life was totally rinsed away, and all I could think about was Kok-Boru.
I would hit their horses or do something, pretty aggressive, and they'd look at me, I'd look at them, and they'd go, and he'd be like, "Hey," and I was like, "Nice."
That's pretty wild. It was just so lovely to be in an environment where they were hopeful for us, and I think that that's something that's really the spirit of Kyrgyzstan. There's a lot of hope, there's a lot of generosity.
This type of culture is in my heart. It's something that I love and I want to be a part of.
I hope we continue to do with Kyrgyzstan and the United States is just to build a relationship and a mutual respect and love and caring. We can grow together because at the end of the day, we all want the same thing. We want love for our family, for our community. So I think no matter what, at the end of the day, we've learned to share love in a common language. And that might have been Kok-Boru.